Hey everybody, it's Wisher Kid here with my friend Bot Boy, and we're playing Will You Press the Button?
No, we're not.
Don't you contradict me, child.
Okay.
Alright, so, have you played this game before?
Yeah, I just got it on my phone.
Right, it's kind of fun.
Yeah, it is pretty entertaining.
So, our first question, you become the healthiest person on Earth, immune to all illnesses and disease. You must watch the entirety of Groundhog Day once a day, every day for the rest of your life.
That actually doesn't sound horrible. I would totally do it.
I have never seen Groundhog Day.
I've seen it once, and it's not that bad.
How long is it?
I don't know. Like, the only movie that I am for sure how long it is Alexander Hamilton.
And you only know how much of the music there is.
I only
2 freaking hours of it.
2.5 hours. Of beautiful.
I personally
lyrical
would not
magic.
like to watch the same movie every single day.
I would.
And especially not to become immune to all illnesses.
Wait, where's the pushy button? Do you actually push the button?
You click the button.
Oh my gosh, on the phone it doesn't do that.
Yeah, you
click the button. Click the button.
I wouldn't though.
Click the button.
But it's just you have to watch all of Groundhog's Day.
You don't get obsessed with movies. I'm watching Alexander Hamilton again tonight. And I just watched it last night.
You watched the animated drawing music.
I wish I could watch the whole thing. Hey, somebody buy tickets to the play for me.
No, but no.
Those
things are like sold out for like 5 years.
Hang on. What's that?
I would say
Face
no.
reveal if someone buys me tickets.
Bro, we've already...
Shut up. Shut up. Someone's gonna be stupid enough to do this. Face reveal if you buy me tickets, I swear. You guys have never seen my real face.
I say we don't press the button.
Okay, fine. Don't press the button. Whatever.
I don't want to press the button.
Next.
It actually has a pretty even split.
Some people are like you and
You'll become a Pokemon trainer, but you will lose all your memories.
Pokemon!
Now,
Pokemon!
Stop.
No one cares about stupid memories.
No, what?
I'm sorry. I'm never gonna remember you after this.
There's a couple of questions. It was like, does that mean that you forget your memories always?
Huh? No, you lose all your memories.
Your current memories only, or do you continue to forget your... Do you have, like, short-term memory loss?
No, you lose all the
memories. Like, you battle this one guy, you turn around, you look back at him, and he's like, hey, how's it going, buddy? And you're like, excuse me, who are you? We just fought 10 seconds ago. Oh, sorry, I don't remember anything.
Did I win?
You just have to go all your life like that.
No, it's just you lose your memories from before you were a Pokemon trainer.
But that doesn't seem so great. I like my memories.
It's okay, we don't have to be friends.
Ouch.
I'm so cold-hearted in this. Fine, don't press the button.
Worth it.
See? He agrees. Natalie Corner. Hey, if anybody wants to, like,
I like how the timestamp is very long ago.
Oh, okay.
Fine. But, you'll push the button.
Yay! Bye, memory.
Wow. See, 55% of people say no.
Well, 55% of people are losers.
You will get everything you've ever wanted until you're old and happy. But after you die, you will spend eternity reincarnated as a spoon. Constantly being put in people's mouths and being washed over and over again.
Oh, mommy, yes. Please. Press yes. I want that life.
Wow, that is just disturbing.
I would, like, literally, like, kill myself.
Why would you want to be a spoon?
So I can be a spoon. I get put in people's warm mouths, and then I get washed every time I get used.
You just read the bottom comment.
What? Oh my gosh. No, I didn't. But I like that bottom comment, though. Oh, by the way, I now have I have an account on here. A login, a register, whatever you want to call it. I have one of those now. I'm Daniel. You know that really unfunny meme that's super dead because I only follow the deadest of dead memes? You know that? Damn, Daniel.
I have never seen that one.
At it again with those white Crocs. Crocs are the best shoe. Texas is the worst state.
Why are you saying these things?
Oh my gosh.
So are you gonna push the button?
Oh,
or are
I
you gonna
will.
not?
I will push the button.
That is ridiculous. Wow, that's a surprisingly even split.
Next. Travel time like it was nothing, like it was an app in your mind. Constantly have to do things to keep balance in your life by going back and being the reason your parents were killed when you were 5. What? Nah, I don't think I will.
Hey.
What do you think? Do you want to, like, keep having to go fix your life again because you did something stupid? Yes, I would just assume
You
that
just have
would
to
be
go
doing-
that far back. You have to go so far back where it's almost ineffective. Nah, I wouldn't do it.
Yeah,
But
exactly.
You're gonna make a choice before I say that I would be Batman.
Hey, I click you. Okay, there you go. You are able to remember and instantly recall anything you've ever learned to see, but you cannot use your limbs at all for 5 hours every day, starting at a randomly selected time. This one I already said no to on my phone. It was horrible.
No, we're definitely not doing that.
Yeah, I don't want to be a paraplegic.
Paraplegic.
That's the word. It's paraplegic.
Paraplegic, I think.
It is paraplegic. You are never going to get raped by anyone or anything, but you never get to be able to feel aroused. Dude,
I would never get.
I love this, dude. I'm asexual. Win-win situation.
Well,
Fun.
they got it made. Yeah, how about no? 'Cause
Yeah,
that's kind of worthless.
Okay.
It's like, come on, seriously. Pepper spray and tasers.
I have a crowbar.
That too.
Yay! Oh my gosh, did I tell you the guy I almost attacked with a crowbar that one night? Right? So the jingly jangly of the keys was more intimidating than a baby rabbit. And it got faster and faster, and I'm like, ah! And then I turned around with my crowbar, and then I almost beat his face in, but he's like, whoa, I'm just trying to walk past you. And I'm like, okay. Well, I found him on the bus, and I'm gonna steal one of my brother's Xbox battery packs and give it to him. He's cool. His name is Jay.
Okay then.
Yeah, he likes Bo Burnham. Yeah, that's how I know he's cool.
Okay.
The ability to play any instrument to perfection. I would choose the clarinet. I would make such a great Squidward.
With each performance, you lose a bit of hearing. Basically, by the end, you'd be Mozart.
Okay. I'm totally chill with that. Actually, I'd probably choose the bass, actually, in reality. Like, Ashley Purdy. Be, like, the best bass player ever. But what do you think? Yeah? Lose your hearing, but be amazing at implements? All implements, not just some implements. All of
No, I
them.
wouldn't want to lose my hearing.
Yeah, probably not, because I like listening to music more than I like playing
Already
music.
deaf, what can possibly go wrong?
I click you!
Oh, it's loading. My computer's being super slow.
Okay.
Don't worry, my internet sucks
I'm
here.
like, I click you 1,000 times.
You just gotta have some patience.
You get to have duh sex with any celebrity of your choice. Every one of their fans tracks you down and tries to kill you. So,
Holy cow.
basically, get to actually, like, that's basically what happens when a celebrity does do with somebody. Their fan base gets all pissy.
Well, yeah, but they don't try to murder them typically.
I've
Some of them, I'm sure.
I've
but...
tried.
Why?
Well, I mean, not that I like Andy Biersack as much as I like Ashley Purdy, but when he got married, I was a little bit pissy. Just a little bit. Oh, but not as much pissy as I was when I actually looked up if Ashley Purdy has ever been in a relationship. He's been in one. And I hate her. She's blonde and tan and has
I would
huge
say it's not
boobs.
worth it.
It really isn't.
I would not like to be murdered by a fan base, especially like.
You would have sex with Sans.
Whoa.
I'm being honest.
Hell no. I'm cutting this out, by the way. I might cut that whole question out.
Okay.
What the Besides, clearly the superior choice is like Markiplier.
Oh.
Because at least he's human. Honestly. Jeez Louise. Okay. You get to have... Oh wait, this
we
is
already
the question
did
we
that.
just did. 1 year is absolutely perfect. You get riches, power, love, respect, and success.
They spelled riches wrong.
Well, then perhaps it's not real riches. Maybe it means people named riches. The next year is truly awful. You are hated, weak, poor. The circle repeats for as long as you live. The cycle.
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
Why?
It's the best of both worlds. Have you never listened to Hannah Montana?
I'm not gonna answer that.
Best of both
Why can
worlds.
no one spell on this website? Shut up, Sam. Sam Martine. I can't spell either.
I think it's Martian.
It's probably Martin, actually.
Martian.
Anyway, I would say no, but you'd press the button?
Mm-hmm.
That's weird. We'll press the button then.
Yay!
You see, most people agree with me.
Well, most people are dumb.
You are teleported to a land where people fight each other's Pokemon with their own Pokemon to win fame and money. So the Pokemon universe.
Okay.
You can only return to this universe if you want to every 10 years.
Do I age?
Good question. Do we become Ash Ketchum or are we normal people? That's the fact
I love
of it, bro.
you.
He's perpetually 10.
I feel like, did we become Ash Ketchum or are we normal people?
I think even Misty and Brock aged.
Did they? Or
I
did they
think
just
so.
die?
He's gone through so many companions and styles. He's like the Doctor.
Let me tell you what.
But not
my
as cool.
Let me tell you my theory. Okay? Ash is into the darkest of dark magic, and he kills all his companions to stay young forever.
That's not true because you actually see some of them come back in later episodes.
Those are doppelgangers.
I would bet, though, that he possibly could have made a wish from Dirachi and now sucks life from other people around the world.
Oh, that makes sense.
Make it canon, guys. He made a wish with Dirachi.
You know what you should make canon? Our fan fiction. I'm still waiting.
Silence.
In my cave.
That's not canon. That will never be... You know what canon is?
Canon is
That's
when it's
fanon.
reality.
You want fanon. Because there ain't no way in heck we're getting into a relationship.
Oh gosh, no.
That would be fanon.
I just want our fan fiction to be canon.
What? That's not... You mean a reality, and that's weird.
No. No, not the stuff that's in the fan fiction. I want the fan fiction.
To become real. You want fan fiction to be a reality.
Yes, I want the fan
Why?
fiction. Not what's in the fan fiction.
Why?
Just the fan fiction.
Why?
Because I'm popular. I need a story.
So the real message here is that Bot would really like to have all the attention. So
Please.
you write yourself some Bot stories.
Bot
send
X
them in.
reader.
Please
Bot
don't.
X Pokemon feet.
Yeah,
Bot X.
sure, any of that. Just don't involve me in anything,
Involve
please.
Annabelle.
Do not involve Wisher. Do not
Oh my
involve
gosh!
Wisher.
I've broke your cover.
I do not want to. I will not. That's a terrible
Yeah.
idea.
I agree.
Doesn't say I have to leave.
Next.
Not a bad number.
You become all-powerful, have more money than Microsoft, and can be considered the first ruler of all humanity, but
Wow.
you die in 2 weeks.
Well, what's that? What's the point in that?
Well, I will have a statue erected in my honor. I'm sorry.
Why? Why would you do that?
I really wanted to say
What
that.
I can actually see is you just like, okay, statue of Hamilton over there, Aaron Burr mural over there. Lawrence, I want his entire building decorated with turtles.
Hi,
was
Mom.
just-
You look
Are
great.
those what I think they are? Can I see?
What do they make the world look like?
These are like these are like...
Are they rainbow glasses? What do they do? I want to see. I want to see. I want to see.
What's the difference?
I don't know. I want to see.
They're like... Well,
No eye strain.
is that my chip?
No. In this state, you might be good at ASMR.
Okay. Enjoy then.
Okay.
My sister came in here with a sore throat and she was whispering
Yes.
that she stole
Press
one
the
of
button,
my chips.
please.
You want to press the button?
I really do.
That's sad.
But
Goodbye.
you know, Eliza's
It was nice to
statue
know
is
you.
definitely gonna have the caption "clingy to a fault."
But she's not clingy.
She made up for it.
You know, most people would like kill to have a wife that cared that much about them.
Who cares? She
Me.
dragged
I care.
him home like all the
She
time.
didn't, though.
She did. She was annoying.
She tried
and
to get
clingy.
him to be like live.
Only thing that redeemed her was that last song where after Alexander dies, she puts his story together and she's a good lady for the rest of her 50 years.
No.
Yeah, that's the only thing that redeems that woman. Too clingy. I'm gonna press next. You have to cure a pandemic. The cure has to be obtained from the person you love the most, and the process will kill them. Who do I love the most? I wanna make sure it's worth it.
Your boyfriend?
No. Heartless.
Me?
Yeah, I guess you would die.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, I'm sorry. You're my best
Even though
friend.
in one of your previous button pushes you said that you would no longer feel love. So I suppose no one?
No one?
No one would die.
Although, technically, I guess I love myself more than anyone in the world. Like, I'm just that horrible.
You'd die.
Yeah, I will not.
Yeah, no kidding.
You're like, yeah, no kidding.
Paramedic, you don't even know them. See, most people wouldn't. 65%, although that's beliefs.
You would be able to teleport anywhere in the world instantly, be immune from injury from falling, and jump extremely high. But one day a year, you will experience debilitating pain that is so excruciating you won't be able to move, think, sleep, and you would rather die. No fall damage, no sickness. Be able to teleport anywhere and jump extremely high. This sounds like a video game. And only one day a year? That seems really fair. And plus, what if, like, during that, like, do you know which day of the year it'll be? It doesn't say you don't. But, like, you could, like, knock yourself out with something so that you sleep through that whole experience that one day a year. But it says that you won't be able to sleep.
I would take this as probably like the
I would.
Inuyasha demons turning human.
I would.
It's just a day that it happens. I think it'd be kind of cool because you could actually get someone to like give you tranquilizer.
Yeah.
Which, I mean, you won't be able to sleep, but that doesn't mean they can't put you to sleep. I love this comment. You mean period?
I don't like that comment. But anyways, yeah, can we press the button?
Yes, we'll push that button. Why not?
Next. You're able to shapeshift into a specific animal of your choosing, wholly or partially. Oh, so I could be part fox, whole fox. You become more emotional and aggressive, reacting with anger, excitement, etc. causes you to shift, no matter who sees and no matter the consequences.
So, you'll basically permanently be on your period. But without the blood.
Well,
you Yeah, you would be on a period.
Well,
Being on a period. I mean, it sounds cool. I'm just thinking of Mew Mew right now.
Tokyo Mew Mew?
No, Mew Mew Power. It's this really goofy, girly anime I found once when I was on a quest to find something decent, and I just ended up watching it.
Oh, remember that kid David at our game club? He finally found that anime I was looking for.
Oh, cool. What was it?
Huh? I don't remember. It's somewhere in our messages.
Anyway, that's kind of what makes me think. Because whenever she gets emotional, she gets like her tail or ears pop out. It's funny. You get really angry and suddenly you turn into like this really fluffed up puppy.
I don't think I will press the button.
Yeah, it's not quite worth it. Because like, you don't want to transform in front of the wrong people. Or be super emotional. Because that's a pain in the butt. Ooh, that's a nice even split. Your teeth will stay white forever. Everything sweet will taste like vitamins. Now here's the thing. Have you ever had a gummy vitamin?
Yeah, gummy vitamins are good, man.
Man, that's basically candy. But it's also a vitamin. You can put vitamins in anything, which... So honestly, like... Yeah, children's chewable vitamins?
Yeah, it's... I would go for this.
Yeah, I can take that. I can...
Especially since I'm already self-conscious about my teeth not actually being white.
Besides, if you don't like the vitamin taste, it'll just make sure that you stop eating candy.
Yeah.
So then you also get thinner. Win-win!
And no cavities.
And that... Never have to brush your teeth again.
I would still brush my teeth.
Yeah.
I'm like getting into the habit of brushing my teeth. I'm doing a good job.
I'm not very good at it.
I used to never brush my teeth as a kid. Like, I hated it.
Oh, of course.
Like, all throughout
it's a chore.
Elementary school and, like, the beginning of middle school, I did not like brushing my teeth. Mostly because none of the toothpastes tasted good. I really hate the taste of mint.
I don't know why.
Mint is the worst.
You can go anywhere in the universe during any time period. It's a one-way trip and you must go alone.
It's dangerous to go alone. Take this.
I can see why this would be fun for some people.
I saw a person wearing that shirt yesterday. A little Link shirt with the old man on it saying it's dangerous to go alone. And I complimented her. I was at the bus stop.
Oh yeah.
I was happy.
Great. Yeah. See, here's the thing. You can go anywhere in the universe during any time period. Is that only once? Or can you do it a couple times?
No, it's a one-way trip.
Yeah, a one-way trip means you can't come back to the same time. But the question is it only one trip? It's only a one-way trip, but is it only one trip? Or is it multiple trips? Because if it was multiple trips, you can just do what this guy down here says. Like, show up another second later.
Yeah.
But if it's only a one-way trip, then it's not so great.
That's pretty smart. I like his thinking. Yes. I think we should push the button.
Why?
Because it might be fun and Alexander Hamilton.
You know it's not as glamorous as the musical sets it up to be, right?
I don't care, okay? I just want to go there, see if Lawrence really has curly hair and freckles, and maybe kidnap him, take him back to my time, so that he can never escape me, because if he ever tries to, he'll be very confused by the time period that we're in, and scared, and alone, and fearful like a baby bird, and he'll stay with me for the rest of his life.
Instead of letting him get shot?
Yeah, see? Perfect. Boom.
You know you're gonna have to make a fake letter to send back to Hamilton after that, right?
Yeah, I'll, like, save him, like, right before he dies, and then, like, have, like, them say that he's dead. That'd be good, right? Be good. Yeah. Everyone will just think that he's dead. But really, he's in my time period. With me. Too scared to ever leave my side, because if he ever did, things would go very badly for him, because he doesn't know what electronics is, and he doesn't know anything, and he doesn't have any way to make money in this new world. I won't let him get a job. He'll have to stay with me for the rest of his life.
Freaking yandere.
I love him, okay?
You gain the ability to turn invisible. It only works when people aren't looking.
I like that.
Okay, define not looking. Like, people aren't looking at you, so then you can turn invisible, but if they look towards you, do you suddenly turn visible again, or are you still invisible?
No. You can turn invisible if someone isn't looking. And assumably you would stay invisible while they're looking when
they turn around
if you're
again?
already invisible. Yeah. Because then they couldn't be looking at you if you're invisible. They'd be looking through you. There would be no way to look at you if you're invisible. So, yeah, I must say that you stay invisible. So, I would have been able to totally steal that one thing.
Okay, so...
Don't...
Tap. So here's the thing.
You should press the button.
No, because here's the thing.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, if I'm gonna get sciencey on you guys about this...
Yes.
Your eyes actually work by light reflecting.
And if you're invisible, no light can reflect off you.
Correct, which means you would be blind. You couldn't see. Scientifically, you would not be able to see.
I think you literally just got that off of a meme.
No.
Yeah.
No.
I'm fairly sure you did.
No.
Because there is a meme.
Really,
a Twitter meme that says that exact same thing.
That's not a meme. That's actually fact.
I know. But it says that someone
Actually,
tried to be all sciencey and horrible.
Actually, I got it off of a top 10 worst superpowers.
Oh, okay.
So, I guess close enough. But that's the science of it. I mean, but if you could see, this would totally be fun. Ultimate hide and seek. So press the button. I mean, sure, maybe you're blind, but at least if you want to hide, you can hide for good. And you can always listen. Become the next earthbender, whenever. Get the first person to talk to an extraterrestrial.
Be the first person to talk to.
It just says Gi.
Yeah, but it meant be.
Gifted with gold and mass amounts of intelligence as their sign of peace. Time skips 5 years and it feels like 10 minutes for you.
Does it age like 10 minutes also?
6 more episodes, like 6 more episodes of Sherlock in 10 minutes. Yes. That's awesome. That would be kind of cool. This would probably be better for someone a little bit younger, but I'll see. I would be basically 25.
But it doesn't say that you age with the time skip.
But you would.
But if it feels like 10 minutes for you, then how do you know that you would age?
Well, I mean, you would
like
you would legally be 25. It would be legally 25.
Oh, okay.
I wouldn't, like, actually be, like, you probably wouldn't age. So it's, like, iffy, because everyone you know and love would age 10 years. Or 5 years, whatever.
I don't care.
You don't care, but I kind of care.
You kind of care. I'm like, oh no, everyone aged 5 years older than me.
Yeah.
Oh, then your siblings would be older than you.
Well, not legally. I mean, experience-wise, maybe. My little brother Caleb, my little brother would catch up to me.
Okay.
2, 4, yeah.
2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Broadway.
2, 4, and 2, 4, and 8.
2, 4, and 8.
2, 4, and 8.
And 0.
And 0. Kind of 0. 0's like the Aaron Burr.
What? Aaron Burr was very important in that musical.
0's pretty important.
How is 0 important? He said one thing.
So far.
0 is like the Peggy.
What, you don't expect me to make him into a full character?
You literally just drew a little tiny itty bitty bald head and a stick figure. You're like, this is 0! And the other characters you gave, like, perfection details.
Okay, I just did that as for fun, and then I was like, well, he could technically be the Aaron Burr because he's bald. And he's basically like that.
He's gonna shoot 8?
Yes.
No!
That'd be great. We're gonna reenact Hamilton with numbers.
So we made this comic where numbers are people because, like, I looked it up. Like, I've always been fascinated with that. Like,
You want me to put a picture at the end of this stream?
that would be nice.
Okay. I'll put the picture in the end of the video.
That would be nice. While we're talking, let me offer you some free advice. I'm sorry, just keep going.
No, you keep going. You were the one who was talking.
I was like always been fascinated, like, how would someone personify numbers, like numbers, like which numbers would be girls, which numbers would be guys.
I always assumed like
Apparently 2 is non-binary.
Well, kind of. I always imagined it like 2 as just blue. I imagined 2 as a light blue, like cyan or baby blue color.
But then, like, you didn't give the number 2 like any defined gender.
I couldn't think. I was like, well, I wouldn't say 2 is a dude. I also wouldn't say 2 is a girl.
Yeah.
So I just create a character that looks like either and use your imagination, mate. I don't care. And then
keeping it. I like to. They'll just be a they.
They.
They are they.
Yep, they are they. And then we have 4, the chick that you drew.
Pronouns. I drew her because I was bored. Okay, boobs.
And then we're all like, we'll make this 4.
Uh-huh.
She's a little 4. Her hair sticks out with a little 4 on it. She wears green.
Uh-huh.
And then there's 8, who you insisted had to be a super cool guy.
Light yellow.
Yep.
And the coolest of everyone.
He thinks so.
He is. Trust and believe. 8 is the coolest.
8's pretty cool. Don't you ship 8 with 4? I mean 2.
8 with 2, yeah.
8 with 2. 4 and 8 are siblings.
Yeah. And I mean, technically, I'm probably going to ship 8 with a lot of characters. Just not his sister.
Or 0.
Or 0. Yeah, 0 isn't even a real thing yet.
0 is the
0 is the Peggy.
0 is either, like, I was thinking 0 is either going to be this really snobby guy, or he's going to be, like, the imaginary friend, because he's technically nothing.
Oh, yeah.
0 is nothing. So, I can just see one is, like, this child with an imaginary friend named 0.
Mm-hmm.
We should show them, like, the homework that we did.
It's at my house.
Great. We need to do that thing. We need to do the thing.
We need to drop it off, but first we need to, like, I'm gonna have to find one of my old selfie sticks so that we can record each other running.
We're gonna do a homework prank.
Yeah, so I was at the elementary school one day in distress and disarray. I'm just kidding. That's another Aaron Burr thing. Or that. Alexander Hamilton thing.
Okay, keep going. Okay.
And, I started filling out this empty homework thing. It was just an empty homework sheet that some kid had left there, and I remember doing that when I was a kid. Like, I would leave homework at the school because I didn't want to do homework. That's a waste of my goddamn time. I didn't say God, I said God.
Stay in school, kids. Don't be like Bot. I went to school.
My GED.
I was actually ended up being homeschooled after a while, so it does.
Wait, you
count.
actually went to school?
Yeah, through first grade anyway.
Oh.
High school apparently is horrible though, so I recommend.
Actually, high school was actually my favorite. Elementary school, I got bullied. Middle school, I got violently bullied, and then I moved to a different middle school, and it was okay-ish. Like, not horrible, and I made a friend, and she was a redhead. Maybe that's where my obsession with redheads come from. Right? I don't know. But, anyways, then I got to high school. Well, actually, I went to another middle school after that, and that was okay. And, like, that one was fine. And, I met some of my crazy friends, Josh and Lori. They were, like, really crazy. And then I kind of stayed friends with Josh. But then Lori, I think she moved.
We don't need your life story, kid.
No, I'm describing my school experience while this is loading.
I don't know
Alright,
if this
you're
is
probably
even
gonna cut this out. No, don't. Just let it load so that I can keep talking. Anyways, Lori was kind of this psycho chick, and
We don't need to know about all your classmates.
just these two. And she was kind of fun, although I didn't hang out with her as much as I hung out with Josh. And Josh became my friend because he threatened to rape my mom in front of me. Yeah, he chased me around a classroom saying that.
That is
We became best friends.
lovely humans.
Lovely humans.
Lovely humans.
Oh gosh, you're changing. We're trying to do a video.
Yeah, there's no video on though. Besides, you may as well just keep telling your story. I'm cutting this stuff out anyway. You didn't need to tell the.
Anyways, so I got to high school, and high school was good too. And Josh was in the same high school as me, so it was cool. But we weren't friends in high school for the first year. We weren't friends. We stopped hanging out in high school. But then, what the? Oh, it's my grandma. She might be here. Hey, y'all. Are you? Okay, call us when you actually get here. Oh, okay. Okay. So we should go wait outside? Okie dokie. Bye. Well, I think that's all for today, folks. That's all, folks.
Jeez Louise, we didn't even get through much.
Actually, we spent a long time on this.
Well, yeah, we were mostly talking to each other throughout that whole episode. Which I guess is what these things are good for, just get to know us.
Yeah.
But,
Eventually, we should do, like, a Q&A. Like, when we get more
maybe.
followers.
If people are interested in asking questions.
We need to set up a Twitter account for this page, though. Or
We should
this
need to set up
YouTube.
a lot of things.
Yeah.
Social media!
Social media. But
So,
Twitter is actually the best for those kind of things, because then people go to your Twitter and then, like, they can ask you questions and you can post stuff. Facebook is kind
okay,
of...
chill.
Okay. I'm just
We
saying.
gotta say goodbye.
Follow me on my Patreon. It's big boobs.
You don't have a...
Big boobs.
Would
Big
you
boobs.
not end every episode with something like this? Could you just say goodbye?
Look at my tum-tum.
There's no camera.
I'll send a picture of my tum-tum. Actually, for anyone who's interested, if you follow me...
Alright, everybody. If you like this video,
Call
smack the like button, and we'll see you
on
in
Facebook.
the next...
Ow!
See you in the next episode, everyone. Goodbye.
People friend me and